morning students. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform of our school. Students, I hope that you are quite fine at home, enjoying your perfect health and also going through all the videos which are being uploaded on YouTube channel of our school. Students, in previous video, I just started a new lesson and completed up to 8 paragraphs. For your revision, I would like to go through the previous paragraphs where we have seen that a little girl, namely Kezia, was always trying to avoid the presence of her father. Whenever the father was at home, she always tried to avoid and she always tried to keep herself away from his reach. We have also seen that when father was out and he was ready for his office, she just only said goodbye and father had very casual kiss and he was out of the house. Whenever he was out of the house, it was found that Kezia felt relaxed and she came back to the real mood, real life style of her nature. Time started passing and it was also found that there was birthday of her father and she was inspired and just motivated by grandmother to prepare a beautiful and special gifts on his birthday occasion. She prepared, but by mistake she used some important paper in filling up the special gifts, which later on became a matter of great tension in the family. The father came and he wanted to have those papers, but those papers were found missing. And after search, it was found that the papers were torn into pieces and they were kept inside the beautiful gift which was going to be presented on a special birthday of her father. Later on, she was punished with a ruler and she was told that she should not touch anything which doesn't belong to her. Anyway, there was a family of MacDonald which has been described in paragraph number 9 that the family of McDonald's lived next to her family and there was a hole in between the boundary of these families. Through that gap and through that hole, Kezia sometimes looked through that and found the family of MacDonald, especially I am talking about the father, who was very much liberal, who was very much kind and who was a man of great love and emotion for the children. He always used to make atmosphere very romantic, very loving and very cheerful. He had 5 children which were generally found around him and he was always trying to make fun for them and always trying to play with them. This made and this changed the mindset of Kezia that all the fathers are not of same nature. There are different sorts of father and she also tried inwardly to compare in between her father and McDonald's. Later on, time started passing and it so happened that once Kezia's mother fell ill and her mother along with grandmother they went to the hospital for a better and proper checkup. Kezia was left alone at home with a very faithful servant namely Alice. They were at home and Kezia had a very bad habit of having nightmare at night and there a very strange man used to come with a knife and try to create sense of fear inside the mind of Kezia. Kezia passed that very particular day beautifully without any tension, without any frustration. But what happened at night that while she was trying to sleep and she was sleeping, you can say, she had the same nightmare where a strange man having very strange appearance, a strange face came with a knife and tried to stab Kezia. Kezia started crying. Kezia generally used to sleep with grandmother. She was very much close to that grandmother like other children. She started crying, grandma, grandma, and she just was not in very peaceful position to sleep and to continue her sleeping. Whenever she awake, she found that she was in the lap, she was in the arm of her father, and she was not on the same bed where she was sleeping, she was on the bed of her father. Her father came to Kezia and kept Kezia in his lap and took Kezia to his bed where he was sleeping. This journey from Kezia's bed to the bed of father just was a very pleasant journey in the eye of Kezia, and Kezia came to know for the first time that her father was also very kind-hearted, very good, very bona fide, and very loving father. Because she was really strict from the appearance, she was really strict outwardly, but inwardly he was very kind, very soft-hearted person. If he had not been like that, he would not have gone to Kezia and he would not have taken Kezia to his bed. This journey changed the mindset. This journey teaches us a good moral lesson that we should not take any conclusion after having a short discussion, after having a short interaction, after having short closure with any member of the family. Each and every person is kind-hearted inwardly, but due to the nature of lifestyle, he or she is bound to be strict, like Kezia's father was there. Students, this story is going to make it clear. This story is going to teach us a good lesson that you are fortunate because you have a good father, because you have a good parents. Love your parents and try to make your love towards your parents. Don't make any blame. Don't have any grievance against your parents, because all the parents are loving, all the parents are just kind-hearted. As we have seen in this story in the beginning, that Kezia had a different feeling about her father. She always tried to avoid his appearance. She never tried her level best to go and face her father. She started stammering, she started speaking slowly, and her voice used not to be clear whenever her father was there present inside the house. But later on, a story moved. Once time came that she was inspired by the family of MacDonald, and she had a very strong remark that all the fathers are not of same nature, they are different kinds of father. But whenever she found herself in the bed of her father, she had a different opinion. All those opinions which she had earlier, they were changed beautifully, and she made it clear that her father was also good, also kind-hearted. Students, thank you. The rest of the portion and question answer will be done in next video. Thank you very much.